To fix mobile data issues on Redmi A5, there are a couple of ways to do this, and the first one, I recommend you to simply go into the quick settings panel and turn on and off the mobile data. This might actually help when you have the mobile data issues or low internet speed or something like this. If this doesn't work, I actually recommend you to turn on or off, turn on and off, actually restart your phone. This might also help with these mobile data issues, because sometimes there is the poor signal for the mobile data, of the poor signal for their network, and it might also be the problem. And if this doesn't work, you'll have to go into the settings. From here, scroll all the way down and go into the system, and from here scroll all the way down again, go into reset options, and here you have to go into the reset mobile network settings and press reset settings. Confirm your pattern or password or anything like this, reset settings, and from here this might also fix your problem. And if it doesn't, you will have to contact your carrier, which provides you the internet or something, and basically explain them this issue, or also you may try contacting with the Xiaomi support.